everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the very first time, then I am Rubal and I make videos related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So guys, this video is yet another video about my shopping haul. Recently I got few things from Ajio which I wanted to share with you guys. Not so much, but only 3 things. This is the second time I bought from Ajio, so I wanted to experience what quality they are giving, because they are giving things at throwaway price, at a very affordable rate, I would say. So I just wanted to check their quality, their return policy, exchange policy and everything sort like that. So if you want to know everything about Ajio and my shopping experience with them, then please watch this video till the end, and what I feel about this website and whether I should purchase again from here or not. So let's get started and see what all I got. So the first stuff which I got is this kurti, which is from the brand Ajio itself. Frankly speaking guys, the brand Ajio itself are giving their clothes, footwear, jewelry at a very less price. So I got it for 350 rupees plus GST, so 365 or something. So I got this kurti for only 360 something rupees, and this material is rayon and I got it in the size large. So the quality is really nice, breathable, because the stuff is rayon, so of course this is breathable. You can wear this as a kurti, you can wear this as a dress, because this is a long kind of a flowy material dress. The main thing for which I bought this kurti is because of the polka dot. I want something in red, and of course if it is having polka dot, then it is just cherry on the cake, because I love polka dot pattern and it does have pocket in it. And yeah, I just love everything about this kurti, and I would highly recommend you guys to get this one, because this is very comfortable, very affordable, and of course you can style it in versatile ways, whatever you like. I just love this one, and I would put the link of all of the products which I got in the description box, so that you can buy it if you want to. Moving on to the next product which I bought from Ajio is this top from the brand By New Trend. This is the very new brand which I have heard. This is the first time I have heard about this brand, but it is available on Ajio. And this is a very nice black color top with net detailing on the sleeves. I really wanted something like that since a very long time, but as Shein is blocked in India, so I couldn't get my hands on these kind of, because these kind of tops were available on Shein at a very throwaway price, but I got it for rupees 450 on Ajio. It was for 999 or something. Let me just see the price tag which they are having. No, it is for 1399 rupees in real, but I got it for 450 or something. And the material which they said is of a crepe, they said, but I don't think so this one is crepe. And this is in the size large, because large was the maximum size they were having. They were small, medium and large, only 3 sizes available in this brand. So yeah, the material is stretchable, you can see. So if you are someone who wear XL size, because this large size is for bust 38, and if you are someone who wear XL size but confused whether to buy this top or not, then you can definitely get your hands on it, because this is stretchable and it will look good on you. But above than that, like for double XL or triple XL, you will not fit into this top, so I will not recommend you to buy this one. So this is the only disadvantage I found in Ajio, that most of the brands does have only large size till large size in them. So if you are looking something very affordable and at a cheap rate, then you have to get disappointed, because most of the time their sizes are out of stock or unavailable, and also they have only a size till large with them, not XL available in most of the brand. So you have to get disappointed. But if you are looking for something with good brands, then definitely XL, double XL, triple XL size are also available on the website. So So yeah, that was my only disclaimer I wanted to give you about the cons with this website or brands in particular. So this top looks very different and classy, and I would like to pair it with the palazzo which I got it from Ajio as well, which I'm gonna show you next. So I really like this top, and I would highly recommend you to get this one if you are up to size XL. Third and the last thing which I got is from the brand Oxoloxo. So I heard very good thing about this brand from many of the YouTubers. So I wanted to try their tops, their bottoms. So this time I got their bottom, which is a palazzo, which is a very nice cotton palazzo. This retails for 1949 rupees, but I got it only for 450 rupees. Can you imagine that? I got it only for 450 rupees. I checked the price on Myntra as well, and it was available for more than 600 or 700 rupees. So I found it really good deal, because this is extremely comfortable to wear. If you can see that this is in the waist 32. The one more disadvantage which I found in this brand, that most of the bottoms are available up to size 32 only. So if you are above than that, then you find it a bit disappointing. It is having a stretchy material back there, so I think this is going to fit up to size 32 waist for sure. So if you are someone who is having size 32 waist, but on the website it is showing that it is available up to size 32 only, then you can grab it. Because I know that it is going to fit you for sure. So because the material is really stretchy, and it is very comfortable, perfect for humid season, perfect for summer season, and it is having one knot in the front, which you can see, which give it a very nice and chic look. It does have a pocket, I think. Yes, it does have a pocket in it. So this is just cherry on the cake, because I love material, I love clothes which does have pocket in it. So yeah, that was my third purchase. So if you want free delivery and you want to try only single product from them just to try out the quality or something, then I would recommend you to go for Ajio. And you abhi chalo, and you can use coupon code FREEDEL, FREEDEL, to get free delivery on any order you buy from them. Like for 200 or 300 bucks, you can get them for free without paying any delivery charges. So yeah guys, that was my all review about the product. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the haul which I have shown it to you just now. And do let me know in the comment section that which product is your favorite. Do like, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is vlog with Rupal. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.